If you're currently having this error code, here are some troubleshooting steps to fix the error and get your printer working again. Now, a common troubleshooting step to fix issues with your printer is to restart the print spooler service. To do this, open Services, locate and double-click the print spooler service, open the General tab, click the startup type to Automatic, click Apply, then select OK to save the changes. After that, you have to right-click on the print spooler again, then click Restart. Now, once the print spooler service is up and running, create a new print job and check for any improvements. Now, if it's a widespread issue, you will likely receive a bug fix via Windows Update. So fix it by opening Settings, open for Windows Update, click on Check for Updates, click on Download Install to install the updates. Once installed, restart your PC and check for any improvements. And for your last resort, uninstall recently installed updates. Do that by opening Settings, click Windows Update, choose Update History, select Uninstalled Updates, locate the problematic update, then click on Uninstall. Now you have to click Uninstall again to confirm the action. Then, wait for the update to uninstall and then restart your PC to apply the changes. And those are the following fixes if you're having this error code in your Windows 10 and Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.